This tutorial shows how to extract characters and props from a photo for use in Cartoon Animator 5. Most of the work is done in Affinity Photo, and this is an AI-generated image I used for example. First, I rasterized and will crop out all of the elements needed for movement. Initially, I get the whole body and extract the limbs, head, and body trunk from that. Note that I use the straight arm and leg for both sides so it lines up with the character animator model. This works with the animation the best. My selections were fairly rough to start, so the edges need to be erased and cleaned up. For the background, I cloned out the objects so the background is just a plain background. And now it's ready for Cartoon Animator, where I'll add a model to the composer and launch it into Affinity Photo. In Photo, I'll copy and paste the parts from the previous drawing, size it, exchange the body parts, reposition the bone structuring points, and delete the parts I don't use. Now it's ready to save back to Cartoon Animator, test the movements, send back to the stage, position the character prop in the scene background, create animation, and render it to a video.